Okay, so what we have here is that we have a question that's asking us. The question says, Jordan has a cup of pennies and a cup of dimes. Show all the different ways she can make 37 cents using her dimes and pennies. So we have to come up with creative ways that she can use both dimes and pennies. Not just pennies, not just dimes. So what is a way that we could, what way could we do that? Justine, what's one way? It would 7 dimes would be 73 cents. It's 37. So what do we need instead of 3 dimes? What do we need instead of 7 dimes and 3 pennies?
3 pennies.
Wait, yeah, we can color it.
Okay, so it's 37 cents, and we need to write it using pennies and dimes, right? So what are some ways that we can write 37 cents using pennies and dimes? Noah, what way do you know? 1 dime, that's a lot. So you would use 1 dime. You don't have to draw all the dimes, and 27 pennies. You could just write the word pennies and dimes. There's one way, right? What's another way? Just put your pencils down. We're coming up with ideas. Braden? 3 dimes. 3 dimes. And 7 pennies. Gideon, do you have a way? Well, no, because that would be 3 pennies would be 3 cents. 7 dimes would be 70 cents. What about, could you use 2 dimes? And then how many pennies would you have to use? So that would be 20. You'd have to use how many dimes? So you have 37 minus 20. We start on our one side. What's 7 minus 0? And what is 3 minus 2? So how many pennies would we need? We need 17 pennies. Can you think of any other way? Can you think of any other way? Have we used all of our ways to mix our dimes and pennies together?
I used all 3 of mine.
Well, you used all pennies there. Did you? Or do you have, oh, your D's and P's look like mine. What did you have?
Yeah, my red.
1 dollar.
That way you bought them.
You can't do 2 pennies because we're not using a nickel. So this is about as much, I believe this are the 3 different ways that you would have to use that. What is it? No, because that would be 50. 5 dimes is how much money? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Is that more than what we have? You can only use 1, 3, or 2. 1, 2, or 3 dimes to make the combination. Okay? So let's go ahead and answer the question. How many different ways can Jordan make 37 cents? We only found 3 different ways, right? And what did we do? Did we act it out, draw a picture, make a graphic organizer, make a list? Mrs. Tripp made a list, didn't she? But you guys drew it out. So you would choose draw a picture. So how did you draw how did the picture help you, Nathan? What did you have? I got my answer by drawing a picture of what? The pennies and dimes that equal 37 cents, right? Yeah. So, okay, so let's go ahead and finish your sentence. Once you finish your sentence, please put your math inside your folder. Okay, Haley.